So here we are, we're reviewing the laptop stand, which is absolutely great. It's nice and strong, stable, it's made out of a strong material, it's lightweight, and as you can see, it's perfect for sitting your laptop out the way and using a keyboard. So I'm using my laptop as a computer. Now, the beauty of this is this piece of equipment here, which is great. My only grumble with it would be that it's quite small, and you know, it could fall over quite easily. That's the only problem that I've got with it. But because of that, everything here, so my mouse, my keyboard, my good webcam, I've got this drive, I've got an SD card reader already in there as well, which is it's just a phenomenal thing. And if I go around the back, I'll show you. That's all that's connecting it to this whole system. This one cable here, this is the power lead, and the only reason that I need a power lead in this is because it's a gaming laptop. Not that I use it for games, but it is a gaming laptop that requires more power than this can output to power this up. So on a gaming laptop, you do need to plug it into your laptop power. But if it was just a normal laptop that didn't need that kind of power, then we could get away with just one cable in the back, and that would be the USB-C. So this system is 5 stars. There's 5 stars for that because it's just great. And it's 5 stars for this because it's nice and stable and sturdy and just works. So if I would suggest buying these in combo. If you wanted a docking station, then get the docking station and also the laptop holder. But as I say, this is lightweight, but what I like about it is it's tight. Normally when you get things like this, they're too loose, and then before you know it, they're falling down. And whereas this is sturdy, it's solid, and the laptop stays in place, which is fantastic. Thank you.